Hey kids, let's solve another question from laws of motion. So this time there's a bike. Okay, so there's a bike, maybe. Okay, so suppose this is a bike. Funny, but it is. Okay, so it's a bike and it's riding at 22.4 meter per second. So initial velocity 22.4 meter per second. Okay, skids, okay, to come to a halt, maybe some accident or whatever. Okay, some skidding. So this is a fallen bike now. Okay, it's skid. Okay, or okay, let's assume that there was some person. Okay, and that particular biker wants to save that person. Okay, and it's skid. So final velocity, okay, after skidding it came to halt, so final velocity is 0 meter per second, and this happened in time 2.55 second, very fast, right? So we have to conclude the skidding distance. Okay, so let's find the distance. Straight motion, so distance and displacement are the same, so s. Okay, so how many formulae? Again 3 formulae. V equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, and 2as equals to v square minus u square. What do we want to find? We want to find s. Okay, and for this we want u, so we have u, we want v, we have v, we want a. Do we have a? No. In this also we want a, so let's find a first, right? Okay, so you can use directly this or the version of this. A equals to v minus u upon t, so 0 minus 22.4 upon time is 2.55. okay, so minus 22.4 upon 2.55. okay, so big calculation here, right? So you'll get, I'll use calculator. It's something minus 8.784. I'm very poor in calculations, but this is the way to do it. Okay, so minus 8.784 meter per second square, right? This is the acceleration. Now you can use any one of these. I'm using this, okay, or this, whatever. Okay, let's use this. 2as equals to v square minus u square. So what is s? S equals to v square minus u square upon 2a. Let's substitute. What was v? 0 square. What was u? 22.4 the whole square. 2 into what was a? Minus 8.784. okay, you can drop this 4 too. okay, if we take till double digit, so we can have minus 8.78. we can drop it. Okay, so let's take this. So calculate minus 22.4 into 22.4. this is minus 2 into 8.784. it's minus and minus gone. okay, so something 501.76 upon this. we'll use the calculator. It comes to 28.56 for me, but this is the way we do it. Okay, so hope you got it. Keep practicing.